With advanced technology and sleek contemporary styling, the AT-LP5 direct drive turntable brings Audio-Technica's legendary quality and audio fidelity performance into your home. Born of Audio-Technica's rich analog heritage, the AT-LP5 incorporates a sophisticated J-shaped tonearm, taking its inspiration from the classic AT models of the 1960s and 70s. Featuring a metallic gimbal suspension system and precision bearings to mitigate tracking errors, the Tonearm includes an adjustable counterweight assembly and anti-skate control, making it compatible with a wide range of precision phono cartridges. The lightweight head shell includes a pre-installed high-performance AT95EX dual-moving magnet stereo cartridge, created specifically for this turntable. To further enhance your audio experience, additional head shells are available as an accessory, enabling the user to easily mount and swap out the cartridge of their choice. Designed for serious listening, the AT-LP5 deck is constructed of anti-vibration damping materials, while a heavy metal base insert helps minimize low-frequency acoustical feedback. A precision-machined anti-resonance die-cast aluminum platter, powered by a direct-drive high-torque DC motor, ensures accurate, stable, on-axis rotation at 33 1/3 or 45 RPM speeds. Topping the platter is a heavy 5 mm thick rubber damping mat, which helps improve low-frequency reproduction and reduce coloration. A removable hinged clear dust cover is included to protect the turntable when not in use. The AT-LP5 audio outputs connect directly to stereo receivers and amplifiers having dedicated phono inputs, while the built-in selectable phono preamp enables the turntable to operate with powered speakers, home stereos, and other components having no dedicated turntable inputs. Additionally, the AT-LP5 is equipped with a USB output for direct connection to a computer. Included with the turntable is PC and Mac compatible Audacity recording software, enabling the user to convert their records to WAV or other digital audio file formats. The AT-LP5 direct drive turntable from Audio-Technica. Advanced technology, sleek contemporary styling, performance that looks as good as it sounds. The AT-LP7 fully manual belt drive turntable is a precision instrument designed to complement Audio-Technica's innovative VM series moving magnet cartridge line, and includes a pre-installed and aligned VM520EB cartridge. Before you can use the turntable, it needs to be set up. Carefully unpack the turntable and verify that you have all of the parts and accessories. Install the platter and drive belt. Carefully place the platter on the spindle and make certain it is fully seated. Slip the drive belt around the platter and gently attach it to the exposed motor pulley. Make certain that the belt is not twisted. Rotate the platter a couple of revolutions by hand to self-center the belt. Next, assemble the tonearm. Remove the twist tie and temporarily secure the tonearm to its rest with the locking clamp. Attach the head shell with VM520EB cartridge by inserting it into the tonearm socket. While holding the head shell in position, rotate the head shell locking ring counterclockwise. As the ring rotates, it pulls the head shell into its seated position. Tighten carefully. Install the counterweight, making certain the black stylus force gauge dial is oriented toward the front. As you rotate the counterweight, it will thread onto the tonearm. Now we will balance the tonearm, set the tracking force, and adjust the anti-skate for the VM520EB cartridge. This important process allows the cartridge to track properly, and failure to do so can cause the stylus to wear prematurely and possibly damage your records. First, set the anti-skate adjustment knob to 0. Make certain that the stylus protector is lowered, protecting the stylus. While gently holding the head shell to stabilize the tonearm, carefully release the locking clamp. At this point, the tonearm is unbalanced and can easily swing. Be careful not to drag the stylus across the platter. While gently holding the head shell, rotate the counterweight until the tonearm is horizontally balanced. It should hover freely just above the platter and not touch the platter surface. Once the tonearm is balanced, without touching the counterweight, carefully move the tonearm to its rest and secure it using the clamp. Now set the stylus tracking force to the manufacturer's recommendation. Every cartridge has a manufacturer's recommended tracking force. Setting the tracking force too light can cause the stylus to skip out of the groove on loud or dynamic passages. Setting it too heavy can cause excessive wear on both the stylus and records, resulting in audio distortion or channel imbalance. The recommended tracking force for the VM520EB cartridge is 2 grams. Locate the black stylus force gauge dial. Marked with numbers and lines indicating different tracking forces, the dial can rotate independently of the counterweight. Without turning the counterweight, carefully rotate the stylus force gauge dial until the 0 on the dial lines up with the center line marked on the top of the tone arm. Now set the tracking force by rotating the entire counterweight assembly in a counterclockwise direction. As you rotate the counterweight, note that the gauge dial rotates with it. Continue turning the counterweight until the 2 value on the gauge dial lines up with the center line mark on the tone arm. You now have set the tracking force properly for the VM520EB cartridge. If you ever change out the cartridge, remember, you must rebalance the tone arm and reset the tracking force to the value required by the new cartridge. The AT-LP7 has an anti-skate force adjustment. This small outward force can be applied to the tone arm to compensate for the natural skating force that pulls the tone arm toward the center of the record. For best performance during normal turntable operation, set the anti-skate adjustment knob to the same value as the cartridge tracking force. When properly set up, the tone arm is parallel to the record surface. If you are playing thicker records, adjust the tone arm height. Loosen the tone arm anchor lever, and using the height adjustment dial, raise or lower the tone arm as needed. After adjustments are complete, tighten the tone arm anchor lever. For best performance, the turntable should be level. Using a small bubble level, adjust the turntable's feet as needed to make certain it is level. With the turntable assembled and leveled, the power and audio connections can be made. First, connect the AC power adapter to the turntable and plug it in to a convenient AC outlet. The AT-LP7 provides a traditional phono output, along with a built-in magnetic phono preamp providing an RIAA equalized line-level output. This makes it compatible with traditional phono inputs on amplifiers and receivers, along with AUX or line-level inputs on powered speakers, amplifiers, and other audio equipment. If your audio device has its own RIAA magnetic phono preamp, simply set the phono line output selector switch to phono, bypassing the turntable's internal preamp. If you are connecting to an AUX type line level input or powered speakers, place the output selector switch in the line position to use the turntable's internal phono preamp. If your audio device has a separate ground terminal, connect the spade lug on the dual RCA cable to the grounding lug on your audio equipment to help minimize hum. The AT-LP7 turntable can also be used with moving coil cartridges. For moving magnet cartridges, including the VM520EB, make certain this switch is set to the moving magnet MM position. Should you choose to install a moving coil cartridge, set the switch to the moving coil MC position. The turntable's dust cover is designed to protect the turntable when not in use and should remain off when records are playing. For more information, visit us on the web at www.audio-technica.com. Listen to your vinyl collection or convert your records to digital audio files with the AT-LP120 USB direct drive turntable. This professional grade turntable is at home in the living room or music studio. Built around a high-torque direct-drive DC motor, the fully manual turntable incorporates a variable speed control with accurate quartz lock, ensuring stable on-axis rotation at 33 1/3, 45, or 78 RPM speeds. The precision-machined anti-resonance die-cast aluminum platter features illuminated stroboscopic dots to provide visual indication of turntable speed. Topping the platter is a soft felt slip mat to help protect the record being played. Designed for the professional, the AT-LP120 USB chassis is constructed of anti-vibration damping materials with heavy metal chassis inserts to help minimize low-frequency acoustical feedback. The turntable's balanced S-shaped tonearm is designed for accurate record orientation, while the hydraulically damped tonearm lift control with lockable rest allows for precise positioning anywhere on the record. To help mitigate tracking errors, the tonearm incorporates a rugged gimbal suspension and precision bearings. A tonearm height adjustment maintains parallel alignment to compensate for records of varying thickness. An adjustable counterweight assembly and anti-skate control make the turntable compatible with a wide range of precision phono cartridges. Included with the AT-LP120 USB is a lightweight aluminum headshell with pre-installed and aligned AT95E dual magnet cartridge. Additional headshells, available as an accessory, enable users to easily mount and swap out the cartridge of their choice. A removable hinged clear dust cover is also included to protect the turntable when not in use. Able to connect directly to stereo receivers and amplifiers having dedicated phono inputs, the AT-LP120 USB also includes an internal switchable phono preamp, enabling it to be used with powered speakers, home stereos, and other components having no dedicated turntable input. Included accessory cables connect the turntable to a wide range of audio devices. Additionally, the turntable is equipped with a USB output for direct connection to a computer. PC and Mac compatible Audacity recording software is included, enabling users to easily convert analog records to WAV or other digital audio file formats. The AT-LP120 USB Direct Drive Professional Turntable from Audio-Technica. Take control of your vinyl with performance that sounds as good as it looks. The AT-LP3 fully automatic belt drive turntable lets you take your analog listening experience to the next level with advanced features not typically found in automatic turntables. Designed to play both 33 1/3 and 45 RPM records, the AT-LP3 features a DC servo-controlled motor and reliable belt drive operation. Constructed of anti-vibration damping materials that limit low-frequency feedback, the AT-LP3 features a die-cast aluminum platter with heavy 4mm rubber damping mat to further reduce resonance. A lift lever with hydraulic damping allows the stylus to be precisely and safely lowered and raised at any point on a record. Yet the turntable offers fully automatic operation, so you can simply press the start button to begin play and the stop button to lift and return the tonearm and shut off the turntable. Featuring a balanced straight tonearm with half-inch mount universal headshell, the turntable accepts a wide variety of moving magnet or moving coil cartridges. Adjustable counterweight and anti-skate features allow the turntable to be optimized for the chosen cartridge, while a rear panel switch configures the output signal for the type of cartridge installed. Included with the turntable is an AT91R dual moving magnet cartridge, pre-installed on a lightweight headshell. Able to connect directly to a stereo system, powered speakers, or other analog audio inputs, the AT-LP3 incorporates a built-in switchable phono preamp. Available in black or white, the AT-LP3's stylish design complements any decor, while the removable clear plastic dust cover protects the turntable and record being played. The AT-LP3 fully automatic belt drive turntable, automatic convenience with high fidelity performance.